Hello everyone, it's Jen from Kskreations. I had a bunch of requests for step-by-step on the Willow Bow, which is basically the mimic of a ribbon pinwheel bow. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Obviously this is the one big piece that makes the Willow Bow, and our center strip. And you will need a clip, and as always I recommend a zip strip. So to start with this bow, you are going to take it and fold it directly in half. So it's edge to edge right there. And I make a little crease. And then from there, as you can see, you have all your slits on both sides line up. You are now going to take right here, how this is a slit, and you're going to fold it back to the center to make that in half. So see, your slits are all lined up again. And then you're going to do the same to the opposite side. So now basically what would be the center strip is now all pinched, while the other ones just sort of hang out back there. Now from here, you are just simply going to take one of the flaps and just fold it forward right at that, right where the cut through is, and then you're gonna fold it back, just trying to keep all your folds even. So, and then forward again, and then back again. So you're just accordion folding the sides. So again, we'll show you just where the cut line is. You're gonna bend and fold that forward, and then fold it back, and again forward, and finally back again. So you will be holding basically a giant accordion fold. So here is where I take my lovely little zip tie. I know some people also use rubber bands, totally your preference. I like these when they want to work with me. Okay, and obviously you're going to zip tie it right about center. To figure that out, sometimes I'll just sort of fold these back and eyeball them to see what's center, but this is what you will have. I'm just gonna trim my zip tie. Alright, now from here we will be folding in the ends and gluing them in place. So you're simply just going to start with the center strip, fold it in, and glue it. And then again, on the other side, fold it in, and then you're going to go from the top or bottom or wherever you want to start, and you're sort of going to just fold it down and glue that in place. And then I'm going to turn it and do the same for the other side. And glue that in place. One of my folds got a little goofy. So that is that. And then of course you will go ahead and attach your center strip, which mine's is a little goofy because I just hand cut it. So I would just go ahead and glue that into place with my little clip, but I'm just gonna show you what it would look like in the end without gluing it. So there would then be your willow bow. Obviously willow is, since it is a pinch bow and it has so many folds, it's best to have a more flexible material that bends and makes the nice curves when it's folded and pinched. Stiffer materials obviously will not have the best look to it. It will just look like an accordion folded mush. And if it's too thin, obviously it could turn out a little floppy. But the thinner, soft, smooth, textured materials I feel work best for this one. So, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. As always, you can purchase all the files at our Etsy, which I will leave in the description of the video. And I hope this helps. Have a good night.